Let us now calculate the volume and surface area of these two cones. So we know that if we have a cone with radius r and slant length, this L, this is not H, L, slant length L, then the total surface area is pi r plus L, and the volume is 1/3 pi r square H. Here H is the height, so these two, L is slant length, H is height. So let us do this example first. So here the radius of the base of the cone r is given 6 cm. Height of the cone is given, H is given 16 cm. So to find total surface area, we need radius and slant length. This is the slant length, which is L. So we need to find this L. So this is a right angle triangle, this is the right angle, and L is the hypotenuse. So if we use Pythagoras theorem, then we will get L square equals H square plus R square. H square plus R square. H is 16, so it will be 16 square plus this one is 6, so it will be 6 square. So from here we will get L equals square root of 16 square plus 6 square. If we calculate this value, we will get 17.09. You will get 17.09 centimeter. So the slant length is, this is the slant length is 17.09 centimeter. So the total surface area now can be written as pi r, pi means 3.14 times r is 6 times r plus L, r plus slant length L, this distance. So r is 6 plus this slant length we just found, 17.09. So if we do this calculation, then we will get the total surface area as 435.02. 435.02. Dimensions are in centimeter, so the area will be in centimeter square. Now the volume. The volume formula is for cone is 1/3 pi r square H. So volume will be 1/3 pi r square H. So here if we put these values, 1/3 pi means 3.14, r square, r is 6, so its square is 6 square times H, height, here H is height, this height is 16. So if we calculate this value, we will be getting the volume 602.88, 602.88 centimeter cube. So let us do the second example. Here the diameter of the cone is given 160 centimeter. So the radius r will be half of this diameter, so half of 160, which is 80 centimeter. And the height of the cone is given in this way, so it is 1.5 meter. So the height is given in 1.5 meter. So there is a unit mismatch here. One is given in meter, one is given in centimeter. Either we will convert this meter into centimeter or this centimeter into meter. Let us convert this centimeter into meter. So 80 division 100 meter. So the radius we are getting here is, radius is if we calculate this will be 0.8 meter. So the radius we have is 0.8 meter and height of the cone is given 1.5 meter. Now to find total surface area, we need this slant length. So this is the slant length L. So if we consider this right angle triangle, this is the right angle, this is the radius r, this is the height H. So this L, its hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, L square will be H square plus R square. Here H is 1.5 meter, so 1.5 square plus radius we converted into meter as 0.8 meter, so 0.8 whole square. So L square is this. So from here we will get L equals this. If we calculate it, we will get the L 1.7 meter. 1.7 meter. So the slant length, this slant length is 1.7 meter. So now we can find the total surface area. The total surface area equals, we know the formula is pi r times r plus L, slant length. So pi is 3.14 So pi r, that is pi is 3.14, radius is here 0.8, times r plus l, where r is 0.8 and l is 1.7. So if we do this calculation, we will get the total surface area as 6.28, and all the dimensions we consider in meter, so the surface area will be meter square. Now the volume formula is 1/3 pi r square h, so it will be 1/3, pi means 3.14, r we found, we converted into meter 0.8, and h is given 1.5 meter. So r square means 0.8 square and h is 1.5. If we do this calculation, we will get the volume as 1.0048 meter cube. So here most of the cases will be given radius and height, both these cases, radius and height. We found the slant length using this Pythagoras formula, and then we used radius and slant length to find total surface area, and radius and height to find the volume.